Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to hike. We've got the iPhone 16e right here. 100% battery life. Oh my gosh, I thought I scratched it. Woo! So the objective today is testing the iPhone 16e battery. We usually hike on Sundays. We've got a really sunny day today. Hey Siri, start hiking exercise. I thought I forgot my little tiny SE. %. We are on the North Country Trail 5 Lake Loop. This is gonna be a 8-mile hike, 4 miles back and then 4 miles back and forth. 8 miles, we can do it. I haven't had lunch. I had a protein bar. Some apps open right here. I have the notes open because that's where my list to talk about. We also have the All Trails open. It's running. YouTube Studio, checking some comments. Probably there's other apps here that I have opened in the past couple of days. I might need to close that. Oh, we leave weather is we're gonna check that. Only have 3 or 4 apps open right now. We're gonna take some photos too. When we're hiking, we do not play music. We just like to hear the birds, the breeze, because we like nature.
25 minutes, 20 seconds per mile.
We got 1 mile already. Apple Watch Series 9, by the way. And I'm filming on the DJI Osmo. I usually use this because it's so easy to talk. And if I run out of battery, use my iPhone. A really nice view here. There's a lake I could see from afar. There's snow coming in the trail, but it's kind of slushy.
Wait till we get to the lake.
I want to take it off right now. I totally remember it took a while for us before we got to this lake. We've been hiking for 56 minutes here. So we're now hiking for 1 hour and 9 minutes, and it's been 2.31 miles. We took pictures and a video on that 2.31 miles. I've been opening YouTube Studio and also the notes, the hiking app, which is the All Trails app. One of the things that I want to talk about is a power saving feature. If you're a person that does not like getting any notification from the outside world, if you're hiking, turn on your airplane mode. You can save a lot of battery. If you don't even need a hiking app, turn off your phone. Just open it when you need it. Whoa. Let's take a picture of this nest. It's cool that I can zoom it for 2.9x. One trick to turn on your low power mode. I don't have a screen protector in this phone. I'm loving it. It scares me, but probably one day I have to put some screen protector. Oh man.
Oh, there's the other sign.
Oh shoot. Wow. 1 hour and 45 minutes. 3 miles and 38. We're 88% right now. The apps open is messages. Let's close that. We got note, we got Safari, all trails and photos, and weather. This is funny. At least for me, when I hike, I think about food. Bulgogi sauce recipe. We found one. Do I have some ingredients at home? That's the question. Okay, 1/3 cup soy sauce. I have that. Red pepper flakes. I got ginger. I got garlic, brown sugar, sesame oil. What's pear? I don't know what pear is. Pear or pear. We're almost 4 miles here. It's 87%. Whee! Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of your tears. Okay, we got a 4 mile. Then we're gonna go back to the car now for another 4 miles. Yes, please. It's chocolate protein bar. I dropped it. It's slippery without a case. Want to check the weather. It's gonna snow on Tuesday. See?
5% chance.
But most of it are already in the
Just
50s.
one day though, yeah, and then it's back.
If you're anxious about you might run out of battery, you can find a lot of like lightweight power banks out there. It is very important to turn on the low power mode. You can go to the, I guess, on the control center where you swipe on the top right, and then you can just add a control there and then low power mode. So I just added mine. So we're at 82%, which is pretty good. And all trails is still on. 5 miles on the Apple Watch here. 4.51 miles on the iPhone 16e. This trees right here is so creepy. Kind of cool too. 2 miles more and we're done. But I just want to mention the importance of battery saving mode. Turning on your low power mode reduces screen brightness. It will disable push emails. Also turns off your always on display. Got 76% and we only have 1.5 miles left and the weather is getting warmer. If we have the low power mode turned on this hike, this probably would have stayed like maybe 80%, but 75 without the low power mode on is actually really good. I have like 4 apps open. I have my iPhone 16 Pro Max somewhere. I didn't really use that during this hike. I love that it's so lightweight, definitely not very heavy like the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This has good videos too, but not as good as the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Definitely wouldn't replace the iPhone 16 Pro Max with iPhone 16e, but if you can only afford the iPhone 16e, then go for it. I showed you a lot of photos and videos here. They're pretty good, almost the same as other Pro Maxes that we had in the past. Of course, this is part of the iPhone 16 series. iPhone 16 is known to have a really good camera. So we're almost in the car. This app is on for 4 hours. Almost 8 miles here. That's crazy. 72% battery life left, guys. Trails. This app was on the whole time. I love this phone. Suitable for hiking because it's lightweight. It's so small. You could just slide it quick here on your little pocket if you have that, like I have on my leggings. We took some videos, we took some photos. Comment down below what your experiences on the iPhone 16e and some tips if you have some. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining us on our 8-mile hike, the first ever sunny Saturday of April. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.